Among the best ways to improve visibility and profile visits for a YouTube channel with a small number of subscribers is the high number of comment likes. The more likes the YouTube channel has in its comments, the higher the comment will appear above, and the easier it will be for the user to notice. YouTube viewers pay attention to this situation and look at channels that make comments with many likes. For this reason, while using YouTube services, it should not be forgotten to buy YouTube comment like service. YouTube comment likes, which will provide as much benefit to your channel as views, likes, and comments, will also create a natural look for YouTube viewers. To achieve an advantageous process for reaching audiences for YouTube comments, your comments are automatically liked. With the YouTube comment like service section, you can buy comment likes from real and active profiles from many countries.